I'm Devi Shilpa. I'm here to talk about Olympics. Olympic Games are international sports festival held every 4 years. The ultimate goals are to cultivate human beings through sports and contribute to world peace. The summer game and winter game are held separately. In 2002, the Commonwealth Olympic Games are held in London with players from 204 countries and regions participating in 26 sports with a total of 302 events. Let us see some inauguration pictures of Olympics held in different countries. Olympic Games, which originated from ancient Greece as many as 3000 years ago and were revived in late 19th century and have become world's preeminent sporting competition from 8th century BC to 4th century AD. Games were held every 4 years in Olympia, located in Peloponnese Peninsula, the honor of god Zeus. Let us see some facts about Olympic symbol and Olympic torch.
The rings represent the 5 continents. Blue represent Europe. Yellow represent Asia. Black represent Africa. Green represent Australia. And red represent America. The first flag was created by Pierre de Coubertin in 1930. The rings were first used at the Olympic Games and Antwerp, Belgium in 1920. The Olympic flame is a symbol used in the Olympic movement. It is also a symbol of continuity between ancient and modern games. The ceremony starts the Olympic torch relay, which formally ends with the lighting of Olympic cauldron. During the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games, the flames then continues to burn in cauldron for the duration of the game, until it extinguished during the Olympics closing ceremony. The tradition of lighting a flame started in ancient Greece. Back then, organizers of the game kept the flame during throughout the event.
Hi, my name is Nikhil Kumar. I'm here to talk about Indian Olympics. So, India first participated in Olympics in 1900 with a lone athlete winning both silver medals in athletics and became the first Asian nation to win an Olympic medal. India has first sent a team to Summer Olympics in 1920, and ever since that we have participated in every Summer Olympic Games, and also we have participated in several Winter Olympic Games beginning 1994. History of Olympics. Every 2 years, athletes from around the world gather to compete in the Summer or Winter Olympic Games. The first known Olympics were held in 776 BC at a site called Olympia in southern Greece. The Olympic was a religious event. Athletes competed to honor Zeus, the king of the ancient Greek gods. 5% of the freeborn men of Hellenic world would talk to the temple of Zeus in Olympia. Dueling city-states would declare truce so their athletes could take part in the Olympics. Events include sprinting, wrestling, chariot racing, pancration, while only men were allowed to compete in the original Olympics. There was a smaller festival for female athletes. The Women's Games were held at Olympia and dedicated to Zeus concert Hera. The Asian Games ended in AD 394 when the Christian Emperor Theodos I banned all pagan festivals. But in 1896, the games were revived in Athens. And in 1924, the Winter Olympics were introduced. Today, we alternate between the Winter and Summer Olympics every 2 years. Now let's talk about some athletes from India. Milkha Singh. He is also known as the Flying Sikh. He was an Indian track and field sprinter who was introduced into sports while he was serving the army. He is the only athlete to win a gold medal at 400-meter race in the Asian Games. P.T. Usha, India is one of the greatest athletes who is often called as Queen of Track and Field. A graceful sprinter with long strides, she dominated the Asian track and field events for most of the 1980s, winning 23 medals in all, 14 of which were gold.
The first modern Olympics took place in 1896 in Athens and featured 280 participants from 13 nations, competing in 43 events. Since 1994, the Summer and Winter Olympics Games have been held separately and have alternated every 2 years. The 2020 Summer Olympics, delayed 1 year because of COVID-19 pandemic, will be held from this month in Tokyo, Japan.
What is Olympism? How does it unite us? The early morning riser driven not by glory, but by a personal best. The coach who inspires their people, not the win but the journey. The volunteer who builds bridges with every greetings. The photographer who captures the human spirit in a single frame. The refugee whose sporting participation sends a powerful signal of hope. Rivals who become teammates and help build a more peaceful world. The parent who drives to team practice and contributes to women in sport. The community respects the environment for generations to come. The athlete who celebrates their diversity inspires a more inclusive society. The school kid dreams big and lives in the moment. They are all optimism in action.
You will inspire us all to live together in peace and harmony despite all differences we have. You will inspire us by competing for the highest honor in the Olympic spirit of excellence, respect and fair play. You can only really enjoy your Olympic performance if you respect the rules and stay clean. Thank you.
जोश है, तेरे साथ तिरंगा है, ये विजय का उद्घोष है। तू ठान ले, अब जीत को अंजाम दे।
एक खिलाड़ी दुनिया के किसी कोने में हाथ में तिरंगा लेकर के दौड़ता है, सारे हिंदुस्तान में ऊर्जा भर देता है।
किसी का
This is our time to show the world who we are. और पूरा हिंदुस्तान देख रहा है एक ही ख्वाब।
नीरज चोपड़ा जेवलिन थ्रोअर।
I am Sri Shankar, long jumper from India.
अभिषेक वर्मा। हेलो, मैं तेजिंदर पाल सिंह तू।
I am Manu Bhaकर.
Hello everyone, मैं शिवपाल सिंह जेवलिन थ्रोअर।
मैं हूँ अभिनव सावले।
ऋषभ प्रताप सिंह तोमर।
I am मोहम्मद अनस।
Dear countrymen, on behalf of the Defence Forces, I, General Bipin Rawat, urge you to unite and convey best wishes to the athletes representing India at the Tokyo Olympics. हिंदुस्तान देख रहा है एक ही ख्वाब, हम होंगे कामयाब। जय हिंद।